Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, trailer tow group, SIRIUS Satellite Radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.